What? What?
Can I talk to the video?
You were talking to the video. Anyways, Auntie Shanique took down the stuff.
Auntie Shanique can do this then. I'm not gonna do that.
She's so nice. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos and that's my sister Sassy Shan. Anyways, guys, if you're interested in those kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And as you guys see from the title, this video is me taking down my Christmas decor. Yes, it is now the 21st of January and I'm just taking down my decor. But yes, so I'm gonna be taking down some today, some tomorrow, some on Saturday. So this video you will not see until everything has been done, but I want to take off my sheets because I want to wash them and just change my sheets and everything. So let me remind you of what my room looks like. If you guys did not see that video, I will put it in the cards, whichever side it appears on, of my room tour for the Christmas. So I'll be taking down all of this decor and all for now. So that's going, the lights are gonna go, my bed and all. So I just woke up, so that's why, but I don't want to wash the sheets today, so I don't want to make the bed and have to, you know, put it up. So I'm gonna be taking those off. I might get rid of the mat as well. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. But I think the curtain might stay for today, but it will come down in a few like days or so. This as well. Whenever I do decide to change them, I will, you know, I might not show it, but yeah, I will. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off and put this in the wash. I won't make my bed yet because I'm gonna forget look at sheet right now, but I don't want to make the bed right now since I have to wash them. But yeah, that's what's gonna be happening today. Alright guys, so this bed I've cleared off of the Christmas. Now I might just take off the green sheets and wash that, leave on the red sheet since it was covered, and then take on the other things.
Okay, hairstyle.
Auntie Dan.
Auntie Danila get her hairstyle.
I'm gonna talk truth. Yay. Alright guys, so I've rid my room of all Christmas decor.
Why?
Because Christmas is done. It's done.
Can I use another camera?
What?
Another camera.
What?
Like that, another camera where you wireless.
No, you can't use the other camera. Because okay guys, so Shanique starts strip the place already. This girl wants to be a camera star. Every time I turn on my camera, you just want to be on the camera. What? What? What?
Can I talk to the video?
You were talking to the video. Anyways, Auntie Shanique took down the stuff.
Auntie Shanique can do this then. I'm not gonna do that.
She's so enough. Anyways, so we're going to take down the tree. Well, I'm going to take down the tree.
I'm taking out the tree up to that Cindy's taking out.
Take off the first ornament, yeah?
Denise, please to make her a YouTube star. Because this girl,
Go and take
this
down the
girl.
first ball. Go and take off one of the balls.
I take out
Very good, yay! Christmas done!
And now I'm gonna be doing the lights right there and there, and then
Why?
okay, so I forgot to give you guys like an overview after we took down all the Christmas decor. We still have outside to take down, but I cannot take down that one by myself. So the tree is gone, the lights are gone, the lights that were there are gone. So basically Christmas is done. We even removed the pillows and all, just these here, but they're not really, they're just red, they're not really Christmassy. So yeah, that is our house now without the Christmas decor. So I forgot to end the video, so I'm ending it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.